It can bring people together, help others to unwind, and provide the opportunity for celebrations. But new research suggests even low-level drinking of alcohol can have a big impact on your body. Alcohol Change UK found that moderate drinkers have 4% higher rates of cardiovascular disease than non-drinkers and 3% higher rates of cancer. They were also more likely to complain of poor sleep and dental health. The NHS recommends that people shouldn't drink more than 14 units of alcohol a week. That's 6 pints of an average strength beer or 10 small glasses of a lower strength wine. But scientists say it's the way people consume those units which can make a real difference to their health.
The reality is if you drink sensibly, you're unlikely to come to major harms. But if you take your 14 units in 2 or 3 big pulses, then you're going to come to more harm. So it's more nuanced than that. And I think what we need to do is teach people how to drink sensibly.
Campaigners are calling for clearer packaging on alcohol so that the public are more informed.
For alcohol labelling, even just a few steps in the right direction would be a big start. We as consumers, we as citizens, I think, deserve to have the ingredients, to have nutritional information, and to have clear information on the risks so that we can make the choice. And at the moment, we just don't have that.
But would warnings on labels make a difference to drinkers?
Every now and then, it's quite nice to enjoy a drink and not worry about it. And I think sometimes you put too many warnings, then you're just like constantly telling people that everything is bad for them, I think is also dangerous.
With the younger generations who might not understand the kind of effect of alcohol, and as you get older you have friends generally who suffer from alcohol addictions and other problems around that, and when you're young you don't see that and you don't know that. So yeah, I think for the younger generation that's no bad thing.
I don't think it would really make a difference. I think people know what they're doing when they drink. It's a calculated risk, I think, for most people. It's people aren't going in there having a pint to be healthy. They're like going in there to have fun and hang out with friends.
The risks of moderate drinking may not be enough to put some people off their pints, but those with a thirst for change say greater action is needed. Alice Porter, Sky News.